Hi, welcome back. This is Jen. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say it in Chinese properly. The reason why I want to make this video is because I heard a lot of students directly translate it from their mother language to Chinese, and it doesn't sound right for Chinese people. For example, in English, you might say, "Do you like it?" While in Chinese, we will just say, "Do you like?" which is 你喜欢吗?你喜欢吗? But in Chinese, we do have a character for it, which is 他, ta. It sounds the same with she or him. 他, this word, as it refers to animals mostly. It's our habit to not say it in most of the situation. So, do you like it is 你喜欢吗? Or do you buy it? 你买吗? We wouldn't say 你买它吗? That would be very weird. But it is right grammatically, and if you say this sentence, people will realize you are not Chinese at once. So in which situation we will use it and which situation we don't use it? First, we don't use 它 when we are talking about the weather or the time in Chinese. For example, in English, you might say, "It's Thursday today." In Chinese, we would just say, 今天是星期四. We don't have 它 to refer to it. Or what about, "It's 4 o'clock." It's 4 o'clock. In Chinese, we would say, 现在4点. 现在4点. If it represents weather, for example, "It's raining." We wouldn't say 它 as well. We would say 下雨了,下雨了. We don't use it either when we are talking about abstract ideas. For example, "It's difficult to say." We would just say 很难说,很难说. Or "It doesn't matter." It doesn't matter. 没关系,没关系. Or "It's good." It's good. 很好,不错. So when do we use 它? First, we often use 它 with the character 把. So for example, 书在哪里? And the answer can be 我把它放在桌上了. 我把它放在桌上了. I put it on the table. Last, when talking about animals, we will use 它. For example, 这是我的小猫,它很可爱. This is my cat. It's cute.